Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm working on a Stihl weed eater, and this is a FS56RC. This is not running when you're giving it gas, it's bogging down, and a lot of times you're going to dig right into the carburetor. I'm going to show you what to check first, and there's a common problem with these, especially if you're using different types of oil, and I'm going to show you how to check that and find out. Let me show you how it runs right now, the way it is. It won't rev up. I'm full throttle right now. Full throttle and choke off, okay? Okay, it won't rev up. It's not going to rev. It's bogging down. Let me show you what it is. First thing you want to do is remove the exhaust. Just back it off. Just take the two screws that are on there and let's back the screws off. Okay, we're going to do this live for you in one shot so you guys can see what's going on. And on this Stihl, it's a T27. I'm going to move the exhaust a little bit away. Alright, so that's what you have to do. Don't dig right into the carburetor. A lot of times these exhausts will get clogged up and they won't let the two-stroke work properly, so they're not going to let the exhaust go out. So you're going to have to take that off and clean it out. I'm just going to pull it off the back, clean it all out. Three T27s in here. That pulls your back cover off. The two T27 through here pulls your exhaust off. We're going to pull this flathead right here and clean that screen out. Alright, look at that thing when I pull it out of there. Completely clogged. That's not going to let it breathe. We got to get this freed up. It's all carbon buildup in there. Look at that. It's like solid. A lot of times you can just leave this out. But I'm going to try to clean it up for him. Look at that. Huh? That's much better. That's how it's supposed to be. Woo! Let's put it back in and see if we can make it sing. Alright, screen's all cleaned out. You want to keep that screen on there, especially if you're keeping these outside. Because if you keep them outside, bugs and stuff will get in there. That screen is made to stop, stuff from getting in there and clogging them up, even though it clogs itself. But you can take that out and clean it. We'll see if it starts. That's how you do it. That's it. That's it. I'm going to give it a good little tune on the carburetor, make sure it's running good, and get it back to the customer. This is an easy fix, guys. And you can find these things. People throw them out because of that. And it's just, and this applies to any two-stroke. So any of the two-strokes you grab off the side of the road, if you're fixing them up for fun or selling them, check that screen first and see if that's your problem, guys. Hopefully this video helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair. Woo!